Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let's continue this short story, A Tale of Two Birds. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. Days passed. Varya the guzre and the baby birds became big birds. The baby birds changed into big birds. They were grown into big size. One day the king of the country came to the forest. The king went to the forest for hunting. Hunting go shikar karne khatra aaye. Hunt means go to chase the wild animals in order to catch and kill it. He saw a deer and rode after it. And the king saw a deer in Badshahnush, and rode after it and chasing it on a horse. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Yelim Badshahnushi im kormis picha, tisi heranch. It ran deep. It ran far away into the forest. Iga janglas mas votsi varya dur when it is chased by the king. Limas Badshah was picha kara. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. Chasing the deer on a horse, he lost his way. The king lost his way. Himis rovat yeli mis picha us kara gudispet himis herne. The himis ro vat himis log na pat hai ki baka jaishus. He rode for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. The king kept riding on a horse till he came to the other side, till he reached the other side of the forest. Badshah is per guris petos, use savare guris pet, the ili wata wood, jungle is big mas. Very tired by then, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. He was very tired. As he was very tired, he got off his horse. He got down from his horse and sat under a tree which was near a cave. Ili varya thopmutus, you would imguri pet bun, the viewed kulistal, you cool cut nazdik was use it, guff nazdik, cave na guff. Suddenly heard a voice crying out, Imbuz achanak awaz, quick, hurry, news. Kasta strangers one asking to quick hurry up. There is someone under a tree. This kulistal behet. Come and take his jewels and his horse. He asked him to come and take his jewels. Whose jewels? The king's jewels and his horse. So simis mana say jaldi. Sinis imsundi kimsund. Aksh imsundi Badshah sundi jewels. Jewels is mana son. Be imsund gur. Hurry or else he will slip away. He asked him to hurry or else he will slip away means move away. Say jaldi not say near in him. So jaldi salim jays. The king was amazed. Badshah go haran. He was surprised. He looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree under he was sitting. When he looked up, he found a big brown bird in the tree under which he was sitting. Yel Badshah ne hurkuntro nazar yosna it kulistal biet. Yat kulistal big brown bird was. Imus big brown bird. The Yati kulistal bietos. He also heard faint noises emanating out from the cave. The king also heard the dim noises which coming out from the cave. He quickly got on his horse and rode away as fast as he could. When he heard fat noise producing from the cave, coming out from the cave, that is why he quickly got on his horse. You see, Badshah was jaldi guris pet and rode away as fast as he could and ran away as fast. It's so like jaldi enjoy. The king was amazed to hear a similar voice again. Badshah go haran imbuz isui awaz bhi. Ya jay enjoy solely magar big in biggie jay the was in isui awaz. He came to know the bird's true story. The logi amsanji true story zan in his words. He met the rishi who explained the behavior of each bird. Patus atiak rishi ak is saint ak imkur dhanmayan bird nand his behavior explain kormis kimis korun Badshahs. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. Soon he means the king came. To a clearing means a place, open place, where there are no trees and bushes, and which looked like an ashram. So basa ashram sujai. It was the Rishi's ashram. It was the saint's ashram. This ashram belonged to saint Rishi. Badshaah wot ith jai, ith ashramas nish. The king tied to his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Badshaah gund ye gur panun kulis sait and sat down in beaut pan emkis shade stal, under the shade of a tree. Who sat down? The king. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice. All of a sudden he heard a gentle voice. Impose gentle voice, sweet voice must announce, welcome to the ashram. In his sweet voice he welcomed the king to the ashram. He greeted him. Sir, please go inside and rest. He requested him to go inside the ashram and rest. Rest. The Rishi will be back soon. He told him that the Rishi would be back soon. Rishi तैसे बात जल्दी जल्दी वापस. There is some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable. He offered him to take cold water which was in the pot and requested him to make himself comfortable. Offer जिससे यथ मज आब सरद आब अत बर्तनस मज तो बे कर पन पान आरामदेह महसूस से कोत कत inside in ashram. The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. When the king looked up and he saw a big brown bird in the tree, he was amazed. The king was amazed. The king was surprised. This one looks like the other bird. He was MCU basa. You bird was basa MCU. Kimis bird is you? The bird that he had found on a tree which was near a cave. The two bird was it. This one looks like the other bird outside the cave. He said to himself aloud. He was point sativana. As which to the bird basa. You are right, sir, answered the bird. Bird knows that he was right, and he he is my brother. So other bird and which lived on the tree near the cave, that he was his brother. Boy, but he has made friends with robbers, but he fell into the company of robbers. Was his company was company, company, robbers, thieves. He now talks as they do. Now he talked as they do. He does. He does not talk to me anymore. He did not talk to him anymore. Just then the Rishi entered the ashram. Asnas Matsav Rishi Tivut Wapas, he back to the ashram. Who back to the ashram? The Rishi back to the ashram. Thank you.